quilt here, and we're just going to pull all this stuff out so you guys can check it out. I'm obviously going to be tossing it into the tent to set it all up, but this is the quilt here. And when I say double, I mean that it's huge. You guys that have done camping and stuff before, this is as big and as high quality as it gets. I really wish that I could just show you guys how this feels. All right, I mean, being a guy that's been around camping and outdoor stuff my whole life, it's just unbelievable how this stuff feels. But I'm going to start throwing this stuff in the tent and talking about it one thing at a time. I would definitely recommend checking out ZenBivy, but I'm going to really quickly walk you through here of what this stuff is and why I am so excited to be testing it out. So the quilt we'll throw in there. That's the quilt. We've got these